Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to verify your account on Optimal Traders. You click on your profile. Select Identity at the bottom and click on Get Verified. We enter the verification section, which we need to continue with a mobile phone, and we must prepare the ID card for this task. We scan the specified barcode with the mobile phone. After submitting the documents, they are successfully submitted, and we click on Continue. And you enter your profile, and as you can see, our account is immediately verified. Good luck.